Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer, Professor Madya Dr. Daniel bin Muhammad Noor. We are Group 1 from Section 5 and 6. Today we are excited to present our group project titled Design and Implementation of a Small Business Network using Kisco Packet Tracer. My name is Nur Adrina Shahira binti Muhammad Zunaidi and I'm joined by my teammate, which is me, Adrina, Ariana, Ami and Izati. Our project focused on a company called Creative Design, a small firm that needs a modern network. Our main goal was to build a system that is not only efficient for daily operation but also secure and scalable for future growth. To meet the company's need, we identified several requirements. The network must support 15 workstations, including 10 wired PCs and 5 wireless laptops. We also integrated centralized service like file and print server, along with a VoIP phone system to handle office communication. Security was a priority, which is why we include VLAN segmentation and WPA2 encryption for the Wi-Fi.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amlina Shito. For network design and topology. For the design, we choose a star topology. We selected this because it is highly reliable. If one cable or device fails, the rest of the network stay online. It also makes troubleshooting much easier. Our core hardware include a Cisco 2901 router, which act as the gateway, and switch to manage our local connection. A key feature of our design is the VLAN segmentation. We divided the network into 3 parts. First, VLAN 10 for staff, 2 VLAN 20 for guests, and last VLAN 30 for VoIP IP. So VLAN 10 is the heart of the office where employees access the server and printer. For VLAN 20, this provide internet only access to visitor, keeping our internal data safe. For last VLAN 30, this ensure our voice call have their own dedicated lane to maintain high quality.
Implementation and configuration. Thank you to make this design a reality in Kisco Packet Tracer. We use inter-VLAN routing using the router on a stick method. This allows the different VLANs to communicate while remaining secure. We also configured DHCP pools, which means any device that plugs in will automatically receive an IP address without manual setup. For the wireless side, we set up an access point with the SSID as NG Wi-Fi. To keep it secure, we use WPA2 PSK encryption. We also ensure that critical resources like our file server and printer were given static IP addresses so they are always easy for the staff to find. I will now hand over it to presenter 4 to talk about our testing result.
Hello, my name is Nuri Izati, so I will present slide 8. So thanks to presenter 3, after the setup, we conducted several connectivity tests. We confirmed that staff PC could successfully ping and access the server. Interestingly, we verified that while guest user could browse the internet, they were successfully blocked from accessing the company's internal server, proving our security settings work. Next, during the process, we encountered a small challenge. Guest device were initially able to see internal files, so we fixed this by refining our VLAN isolation and access control. We've also prepared a simple user guide to help staff connect to the new system. So in conclusion, this project successfully demonstrates how a well-structured network can support a small business like Creative Designs. That concludes our presentation. Thank you.